In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your Wix website quickly and easily, all for free. Whether you're launching a new product, counting down to a special event, or simply wanting to engage your visitors with a sense of urgency, having a countdown timer on your site can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into the process. To start, head over to your Wix website editor. Once you're in, look for the option to add elements to your page. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on Add Elements, you're opening up a world of possibilities for customizing your site. You'll want to optimize your website to better serve your audience and potentially increase interactivity and engagement. Next, you'll want to use the search function. Simply click on the search bar and you'll be prompted to type in what you're looking for. In this case, we're interested in adding a countdown timer, so go ahead and type countdown into that search box. This will save you time scrolling through all the different tools and features Wix offers and take you straight to the countdown timer options. Once you've typed in countdown, click on the countdown timer option that appears in the results. Now you'll see several timer styles to choose from. Pick the one that best fits your design vision and the overall theme of your website. After deciding which countdown timer suits your site, you'll want to add it to your website. Look for the Add to Site button and click on it. This action will transfer that countdown timer to your website's editing page, where you can start to customize it further. At this point, Wix will likely display a message asking you to agree to their terms for adding extra elements to the page. Simply click on the Agree and Add button to proceed. This step is crucial as it confirms you've read and accepted Wix's conditions for using the element. Now that the timer is successfully added to your site, it's time to tweak the settings to meet your specific needs. Click on the Settings option for the countdown timer. Here you can customize several aspects such as the end date and time, the appearance of your timer, and even what happens when the timer runs out. For instance, you might set it to redirect to another page or display a special message. This customization enables you to align the timer with the event or offer you're promoting, ensuring that it captures your audience's attention effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added a countdown timer to your Wix site. Now go ahead, play around with different styles and settings, and create the perfect timer to enhance the urgency and excitement on your page. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!